Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. I'm so excited for today's vlog because we're going to unbox a random blind boxes from PopMart and TNT, which is the new toys. This is the newest release of Ryan Boy or Boy Ryan, and we have some old IPs from PopMart, which is the Kulaboo and Azura, and we have some Baby Molly and Hachipupu. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! Let me start with the Hachipupu, the Rolling Time Machine series. In my previous vlog, we unboxed one, which is the Bunny Snow Cone. And they have 12 confirmed figures and one secret, which has a probability of 1 over 144. And from this lineup, I just hope I won't get the duplicate. And I really want to get the Little Voyager, the Waka, which is this? Waknomoli. I like the Toot Toot Call, the Wish Catcher, and the Happy Carousel. So let's see. I hope. This one is only, I got only one piece from this series because I'm not sure yet if I'm going to collect more of these. But let's see. This one, the packaging of this one really reminds me of my childhood days because some of the lineup figures reminds me or mimicking the childhood toys that we had before. So let's see. Let me do the unboxing at the bottom part. And it's so easy to open this one. Are we able to get a secret as a lucky day for me? Oh, this one is so small. I really like the IPs every time that they do a branding for their foil, just like Hachipupu here. I really like the artistic artwork of the foil. So let's see, guys. Our first figure. One, two, three. Oh, what is this? Okay, I actually don't know this one. Oh, so this is Fantasia Gashapon. Oh, is it on the lineup? Okay, we got this one and it's so cute. Oh, let me remove the plastic so that I can show you better the figure. We have so much plastic in here. Let me show you the Fantasia Gashapon. Okay, Fantasia Gashapon reminds me of the candy balls outside my school that you have to like insert a coin and then just uh, turn this around and one candy ball will drop here. And yeah, this one's like a shaker. Look the head of Hachipupu here. There's a lot of candy stars and balls inside, and the color is so pastel. And I really like the bow on the head of Hachipupu. It's so shimmery pink. I really like the color of this one. And Hachipupu here is closed eyes. I think it will be better if Hachipupu eyes here is open. He has a brown shoes and with a pink bow tie as well. It's so pastel. I really like this one, and I actually like a figure that is translucent like this. That like you can see what's inside of the figure, and it's a shaker. Very nice. And yeah, this is the face of Hachipupu. And what can you say about the Fantasia Gashapon? Let's proceed with this old IPs, which is this is old face of Kulaboo. And surprisingly, when I checked this one on the website, I was expecting that the figure is big because of like they have like a mascot wearing like you can remove the head. And when I received these boxes, they are so small. Let me show you the comparison. This is the box of the Hachipubu that we just opened, and this is the box of off paste for the Kulaboo. So I believe this will be a very small one Like, yeah. So this is the series of Cool Rain Labo O Face series. We have these two box, one quite heavy and this is the lighter one. So let me start with the lighter one. I'm actually not familiar with Kulaboo, but I'm starting to check the old IPs of Pop Mart, and one by one they are releasing some old IPs just like this. And I just got curious with these IPs, and from this lineup they have two 468 confirmed figures, one secret and one super secret. And I really wanna get the Lazy Bun, the Ellie L, which is the elephant, and the panda, and the dog actually, and the monkey. I actually like them all. So let's see. Let's see our first Kulaboo from this series. The lighter one. I'm not sure which one are we gonna get. Yeah, look, this one is so small. Hmm, why it's like this? Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, it's so weird. Like he's wearing a bikini. Guys, that sometimes that I'm just curious about this kind of IPs and figure because yeah, so weird. I'm not sure if this is worth the money, but I like discovering new things, discovering new IPs from Pop Mart. This is not my prio, but this one looks like a pink cat or pink panther to me, and he or she's wearing a bikini and violet top. Let me show you the art card. This one is so small. And this is the YD. YD? YD. So what can you say about this figure, guys? Comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box of O-Face Kulaboo. And we got the YD. So this one is heavy. This might be L or one of the secrets. So let's see. It's so funny that sometimes I'm not sure if did I made a right decision of getting some figures which are not familiar to you. But what's the purpose of doing the unboxing if I'm not going to show you a different figures, right? It's not just all about Pop Mart, or it's not just all about the famous figures, but we have to give chance to others to be recognized, right? So let's see. Our second figure for Kulaboo. Oh, the panda! I guess this is the panda. Yeah! And I'm happy that I got my prio from this lineup. That's why it's so heavy, because of the head of panda is so heavy. And I'm not sure who's this guy, but I guess he's better be like this, like wearing the head mascot of the panda. Like the panda is wearing a pink jumper. This one is so cute, guys. It reminds me of the what do you call this panda? Kung Fu Panda. It reminds me of Kung Fu Panda. And this is the art card. We got the panda. Cute for me. What can you say about this? Comment down below. Let's proceed with these two Baby Molly when I was 3 series. If you can see in my background, I have some pieces of Baby Molly when I was 3 series. From this lineup, we have already the Morning Call. We have the Room Exchange. We have the Baby Astronaut. I actually had the secret, but it's not displayed here. I kept it. So I'm hoping to get a non-duplicate from this lineup. I actually wanna get the double XL crown and the Crimea River. And let's see, how old are you? I guess we have two. Can I open this one at the bottom part, and let me show you first the art card, because if this will be a duplicate from what I have, I'm not going to open the foil, of course, and will be included in my for sale, or I'm going to dash it. This one is very light one. This one's quite heavy. So let me remove the, yeah, the foil now. So this is the foil, and this is the art card. One, two, three. Oops, yes! It's not a duplicate. Look how beautiful the art card. Sing my song. I really like the art card of Molly, the baby Molly. It's so thick. Looks really premium. I love the illustration. Very artistically done. Then, the foil. It has a branding. Let me show you my added collection from this series, which is the Sing My Song. Look how beautiful! Molly is wearing a white dress with a rainbow, I don't know, rainbow line for the G clef. This is the G clef, right? And they really use eye chip for Molly here. I believe she is holding something here, and let me check it. Oops! She's holding one small silver mic. Actually, I'm not sure. A combination of silver and pink. Let me put this one here. Yes, this one is so cool. Very nice one. Very cute Molly. I like the bunny shoes of Molly here. At the back, it's so plain only. And good thing it's not a duplicate. And look how beautiful the art card and the figure itself. So what can you say about Baby Molly Sing My Song for When I Was Three? When I Was 3 years old series. Let's go with our second box of Baby Molly when I was 3. This one is so heavy. Let me open now this one. I hope it's not a duplicate. I'm going to remove the foil and show you the art card. I hope this one is a double XL. Oh, let me. Oh, see, it's a duplicate. I can feel the cage of that one. Told ya, we got a duplicate. We have the room exchange, another room exchange. So let me put this one here. Dish dash, a duplicate. Let me just show you the art card and the figure. Wait. Okay. Oh, she's dropped. Okay, so this is the room exchange. We got a duplicate. Unfortunately, yeah, let me remove and let me show you for those who are not yet haven't watched my previous vlog. And why it's so hard to remove this one? Okay, so Molly here is like playing with her bird, green bird actually. She is in a cage and she's wearing a green striped dress and green shoes. Though she's cute, I'm not happy because she's duplicate and she is in the cage. What can you say about the room exchange of Baby Molly? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with Azura. We have 4 from this series, which is the Wardrobe Azura series. So I just got 4 from this series because I'm not yet sure if I'm a collector of Azura, but I have some few pieces of Azura. If you watch my previous vlog, I'm starting to like Azura now, but let's see. This one is old series. I just got 4. And from this lineup, they have 12 confirmed figures and 1 secret. Of course, I really want to get a secret from these 4 boxes, but from the confirmed figures, I want to get the Tank Style Lady. I want to get the Cute and Cool Girl. The Music Festival. Of course, the vintage one, which is this one, Vintage Lady. And the one in the cover, which is Miss Dolly. So let's see. Let me open the first box from this series. Sadly, we got our first duplicate. I just hope from these 4 boxes there's no duplicate. It's very small figure. So 1, 2, pink hair. Oh, who's this? Let me check the art card first. We got the hot-blooded youth. Okay. Let me put all the inclusions and the stand. I like their stand. It reminds me of the stand of, I forgot the name. Laura, I remember. Laura has the same stand with Azura. So with their name written on it, and let me put the, okay, she's holding a baseball bat. Yep, the baseball bat has a name of Azura. It's purple with the blue font. And Azura here is wearing a mini skirt, blue mini skirt with a black leather jacket at the back with a splat of blue paint with her paint as well on the hair. I really like the eyes of Azura, but it looks like, no, I thought it's a damaged paint, but it's not. Azura has the, you know, the typical design of the tears. It's a translucent one. It's a trademark of Azura, and she is blinking one eye. So what can you say about this one? She's like a high school girl trying to, maybe she's on a fight because she's holding a purple baseball bat. So what can you say about the hot-blooded youth Azura here? Comment down below. Let's proceed with the second box of Azura Wardrobe Series. Wardrobe Series? Yeah, we got this one. And let's see. We still didn't get our prio. I'm not sure if I'm liking Azura this time, but yeah, I'm curious about everything. That's why. So this is our second figure for Azura. Very small one. One, two, three. Oh! She's so colorful here. Very colorful Azura. So let's see which one did we got. And we have this art card. And we got the Macaron Girl. That's why she's so colorful. Is she here? Yeah, we got the Macaron Girl. Let me put all the inclusion. I really like the stand. It really complements with the Azura figure because it's all pastel. You can see there's a written name of Azura here. I like Azura here. It's so colorful, very gradient color of purple and blue, but she looks like a very, there's a lot going on here, which I don't know because there's so much stars and accessories on the hair, the ribbon, the hair clip, the colors. There's a small bunny backpack on the back, and she has so much accessories on the hair. Too much. It reminds me of Jolina Magdangal, the famous 90s singer here in the Philippines. She has so much bracelet with so colors, and even the socks are so different. Yeah, very Y2K vibe to me. And I guess this is the mobile phones. She has these cute mobile phones with a bunny housing. Look how colorful. Not my favorite because it's so distracting because of so much things going on with Azura here. But what can you say about the Azura wardrobe for Macaron Girl? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with the next one. And we have the Macaron. Oh, the two girl standing beside with this box, Macaron and the hot-blooded youth. We're still not getting our prio, which is I really like to get the music festival, the cute and cool girl, the vintage lady, the tank style lady. Yeah, let's see. We're not getting our prio. Or maybe a secret. Maybe they're going to give me a secret this time. I'm not sure. I'm not getting the vibe of this series. I hope I like this next figure. One, two, three. Oh, another purple one. I don't know, but I like this one. So beautiful. Let me check all the inclusions. Yeah. Let me put all together first and let me show you the art card. Oh, so much inclusions here. Okay. She's so purple and okay. Let me check the art card now so that we can check how I'm going to fix all the inclusion. So this is picnic day. And the cat is here. And there's three tulips on the basket. And Azura is carrying this one like this. How? Is she able to carry everything? Maybe not. Maybe yes. Okay. Yo, this is cool. Very cool figure. She's going for a picnic. She's wearing a like an 80s wardrobe, tank top, yellow tank top in a polka dots blue short and a big headband bow, a very gradient color. I like Azura. I actually like this one. There's some daisy flowers on the hair. I like this. I actually like this. Compared to the other two that I unboxed, I guess this one is my favorite so far from this series. What can you say about this? Please comment down below. Last box for Azura Wardrobe series. And we're still not getting my prio. But though oh yeah, these three together, I got them all. Why? Surprisingly. Oh, maybe this one is a secret. And this one is heavy. So let's see. Why I'm not getting my prio? Maybe they just pick this one on the back of the box, line up. Maybe not. Maybe not the secret. One, two, three. Oh, I guess this one of my prize. I'm not sure. Let me put all together the inclusions and show you the art card. I'm not getting the vibe of Azura here. I'm not sure. And she's holding a strawberry ice cream like this. Cute, very cute though. It's so different from what I unboxed a while ago. The three figures. This one is quite dark. And let me show you the art card. What we have here. Amusement Park Day. This is the amusement park day. Maybe she went to the park, amusement park, and she's wearing a white dress with a maroon, or this is like a wine red color of color with a pink, maybe this is a pink bunny or bird, like a sling bag. She's holding or carrying a maybe a strawberry ice cream. Yeah, I like the eyes. It contrasts the color. She has this headpiece on the head on the head, and Azura here is a black hair. Very nice. I actually like this one. Very simple, very subtle color. Yeah. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, I'm saving the best for last. This is what I'm so excited about. The new release of Boy Ryan from the TNT or the new toy. I just got five from this series because I'm not sure if I like to get all the complete series or line up from this series. But if you can see, let me set aside the other boxes. If you can see that I have a collection of Boy Ryan is started to grow with me now, and I really like the figures because it's bigger than the usual figure of Pop Mart, and they are have good quality figures. I really like it, highly recommended. That's why I got curious, and I'm so excited with their new series, and which is the I guess this is the Let's Date series of Ryan Boy to explore. And they have 369, 12 confirmed figures, and one secret. I just got five. So from this lineup, I really wanna get the Memorial, the Company, the Promise, the Encounter, the Surprise, the Hasten. I actually like them all. And I'm so sad that I got five only. And if I'm gonna like this series, I might get another boxes and I might get duplicates. I really like the one in the cover, which is the record. And the box illustration is so very K-pop vibe, very simple. I really like the color gradient because it pops up the art or the picture of the figure, and there's some like colors, like hologram colors when the lights hit the box. So let's see. I'm excited now. I'm excited to unbox the first figure of Ryan from this series. So let's see if we are able to get our prio. Again, this is a big figure, TNT. I just hope next time they will put the illustration or the artwork of Ryan in the foil. So let's see, guys. I'm excited. Where's the opening section? Here. Who's your prio here, guys? Who's your bias? So let's see. One, two, three. Oh, the one with the black. Okay, the one in the cover. And again, the head of the Ryan is removable. You can put it back again. This one is so cool. It reminds me during my corporate days when I used to wear like this and bring a backpack going to work. I really like the backpack of Ryan here. It's so glossy black, very K-pop. And I'm not sure this if this is a like a toothpick. She's so badass here. I like the look. The inner shirt of Ryan is so shimmery. There's a pearlescent finish. He's wearing a blue suit, and the inner one is like a baby blue, but it's pearlescent finish. So shimmery, guys. Very shimmery. I like the necktie. It complements the dress of Ryan, and he's carrying a camera, like a vintage one, and still they're using a eye chip for Ryan here. The face is so matte vinyl or soft matte finish. I really like this one. Very cool. I like that I got the first one which is in the cover. Yeah, I like the outfit of Ryan here. Very cool figure. Let me show you the art card. Oops, he's going to stand like that. Very nice one. And we have the wow, very cool art card. We got the record. There's an hologram finish on the font. It's like an Instagram post because there's a heart, comment, and share. Very nice. What can you say about Ryan Record? Please comment down below. Let's go now for our next box for Ryan. It's so cool that we got the first one in the cover. So let's see. I'm so excited which one I'm going to get. Are we able to get a secret? Are we lucky enough today to have a secret from this series? I will be very, very happy if I'm going to get a secret. Oops! I thought this one is a spoiler. So let's see. A second figure for Ryan. One, two, three. Okay, there's another plastic. Oh, nice! Very nice. Oops. Oh, it's damaged. Oh, it's damaged. Guys, look. It's broken. Why? I really like this one. Okay, let me put some glue in here and let me fix it. But this one is so cute. It's so sad. Because look how beautiful the ears of the bunny here. It's so shimmery. Even the white, let me set aside. Even the white suit of Ryan here has a pearlescent finish. And he's eating an ice cream, two scoop of ice cream. I really like this one, but it's so sad that a door. It's so sad it's a damaged one. We got the Adore. So what can you say about this figure, guys? So sad, but I like it. Please comment down below. So guys, I fix it with glue, so I hope it won't, yeah, remove this one. and the glue is so strong enough to hold these ears of bunny. I really like it. That's why, yeah, I really like this one. And even the eyes of Boy Ryan here is like, I'm not sure if this is brown or red, but this one is so cool. I really like this. So let's see. Let's move forward with our next box. Let's proceed with our next box, which will be our third figure from this series. I just hope this one is not, it's not damaged or defective. And we got already the Adore and we got the record. So let's see. I hope I'll get my Prio. I wanna see, though I really like them all. I just hope there's no duplicate or damaged figure because that will be sad. I'm gonna send it back to them. Okay, I just commend them that this one's high quality figure, but maybe during the transport, I'm not sure. Let's see our third figure. Uh-oh. Oh, oops. Is it damaged again? Oh! Look, guys, how beautiful. How handsome Ryan here. So nice, very cool figure. Let me show you the art card. Who is this guy? So handsome. So we got the surprise. Very nice one. Look, he's wearing a, I'm not sure if this turquoise color of jumper, like a blue one, and with a red bow tie. I'm not sure what he's holding or carrying. It looks like a, I'm not sure if this is a handbag. Hmm. Is there's any inclusion here? Look at the backside. How quality the figure is. I like the jumper. It's so matte, soft matte finish. Same with the face. He has a brown eyes. And I'm not sure what else he's holding. Let me check the box. Nothing at all. So this is our third figure, which is the surprise. What can you say about this figure, guys? Please comment down below. Let's go with our next box. So I just got two of my Prios. I just hope I wanna get the one with the scarf, with the blue scarf, and the one which is the Hasten and the Memorial. So let's see. Or the one with the guitar, Smitten. I actually like them all. So any figure, as long as it's not a duplicate, and as long as it's not a, not defective. I'm not sure what's this. Area code 01. Let's see. Are we able to get a secret from the last two boxes? I hope so. Oh, spoiler? Nope. One, two, three. Oh, the one with the scarf. Yay! Because I like the winter weather. That's why it reminds me of myself. He has this like a snowfall or snowflakes on the head, on the hair, on her suit, and on the scarf. The scarf is a flat finish material. Very nice. I like how they incorporate a lot of different materials with the figure. The head is so, yeah, it's removable as well. He's drinking a coffee with the name of Ryan here. This one is so nice. He's wearing a black suit and blue pants and with the cardigans on inside. This one is so cool. I got my Prio. That's why I really like Ryan because it reminds me of myself. That's why I keep getting figures of this. And this is the promise. What can you say about this handsome guy? Please comment down below. Okay, the moment of truth. Our last box from Ryan. I think this is not a secret because the secret is a big one. So definitely this will be a heavy figure. This one is not that heavy. So I just hope I'll get a beautiful figure from the last box. Though I'm getting beautiful figures, guys. Look, the lineup. They are so beautiful and so adorable, especially Ryan. Reminds me of myself. So let's see our last figure. Okay, it's not so big. Another standing one. So this is not a secret, definitely. Our final figure for Ryan. One, two, three. Oh, the one with the gift box. Nice. Oops. Let me put this one back. And let me show you. I guess he just went from his shopping because he's carrying a lot of shopping bags, and this one are like gift bags. He's going for a date and he's bringing a lot of gifts for his date, like a another heart-shaped gift box, two gift box. He's wearing a hoodie with the name of Ryan here. Yeah, and the cargo pants is a like a khaki shimmery finish. Not actually my prio. Not I like this other force rather than this one. But though another character of Ryan here is so cute. So this is the I told it's I like Memorial, but when I see this one, I like the other force better than this figure. But yeah, he's cute though. What can you say about Memorial of I'm not sure this Memorial of Ryan, the boy Ryan from this lineup? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog. It's just not fitting all in one frame, but of course I put everything in every figures that I like in the middle, just like what I had now for Ryan. I really like Ryan, guys. I'm so biased with Ryan figures because if you can see, there are also beautiful and good quality figures, except with the defective one. But I managed to fix it. So these fives are my favorites. Plus the Hachipupu, I really like this one, and of course Molly. She's so cute. She's like the little star of the of the lineup for today's vlog. And of course, I really like Azura as well. Let me put them in front so that we are able to appreciate what I chose from this vlog. And yeah, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. And I actually like this one also. Let me put everything here. These are my favorites. Also, surprisingly, I like the from the Kulabu. I like this panda. So these are my top favorites from what we unboxed for today's vlog. If you have other favorites, you can comment down below and give me your list of favorites from the comment section. And if you had fun watching my vlog, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're still not my subscriber, please do subscribe and help me achieve or reach the 1,000 subscribers. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!